Hello drumheads, so in today's lesson we're going to learn all about semiquavers. We're going to break them down into their note value and we're going to learn some beats and fillings involving semiquavers. Let's get into it. Right, okay then, so we've got semiquavers. Semiquavers are also known as 16th notes. They're called 16th notes because it takes 16 of them to make up a bar in 4/4. So as we did in the previous lessons, you've got your crotchet, which is worth 1 beat, your quaver, which is worth half a beat, so you need 2 of them to make up 1 whole beat, and then your semiquaver, which is worth a 1/4 note. So you need 4 quarter notes to make up 1 beat. Okay? So if you think of it in terms of maths, you need one of those equals 1/4, so you need 4 of them. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go through we're going to start with a filling in 16th notes, and then we're going to work up into a drum beat, which is something that we haven't done before. Quick way to tell the difference between the 3 types of notation. You've got your crotchets, which has no tail or lines on the top. Your quaver, which has 1 tail or line, and your semiquaver, which has 2 lines. So when you see them written on the stave, you can tell the difference and the note value by looking at how many tails the individual note has got. So if you need any more explanation or anything, please let me know in the comments and I'll talk you through it. So I'll get on with it and show you the first pattern. Okay guys and girls, so pattern 1, we're just going to stay on the snare drum for this one, no bass drum or anything, we just concentrate on the snare. So if you remember, it's on the 2nd space down. The sticking for this, so we're going to go into sticking a little bit now. Sticking is just what hand you use for each individual beat. So the sticking for this is going to be right, left, 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 right, left. So we're just going to stick with alternate hands. So with 16th notes, we count them a little bit different to the way we count quavers. So rather than going 1 and 2 and, because now we've got 4 notes, we go 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. Okay? So if you're counting it out in head, it's 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. Okay? So if you remember in the previous lesson, it was 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now because there's 4, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. Okay, so I'll play that for you, let's see how it sounds. Pattern 2, taking the same principle with everything staying on the snare, still right, left, we're going to add a bass drum on the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. So once again, when you see them in line with each other, play them exactly the same time. So on the 1, you've got a snare drum and a bass drum, the 2, snare drum and bass drum, 3, snare drum and bass drum, and the 4, snare drum and bass drum. So again, counting exactly the same, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. Okay, so let's get into it and see how that sounds. Okay then, so pattern number 3, you can see is a little bit different. So once again, you've still got 4 on every drum, with the bass drum on the 1, 2, 3 and the 4. But now you can see that these notes have moved off the snare drum line and they moved up 1. This line is on your first tom, so tom 1, which is the drum directly in front of the snare drum. Or some people, depending on setup, might have it somewhere else, but it's a drum normally directly in front of the snare drum. Okay, so you've still got 4 on every drum, so you've got 4 and 8 on the snare, 1 E and A, 2 E and A. Then when you start the 3, you've got 8 on your tom 1, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. You still, once again, bass drum on the 3 and the 4. So when you see them in line, you play them at exactly the same time. Okay, I'll show you how that sounds. So we come to the final pattern for this lesson. We're now going to make a beat using these 16th notes. So all the X's, they're your hi-hat, okay? Second line down, snare drum. Your bottom line, your bass drum, okay? So when I say line, I mean the gaps in between the lines, sorry. Once again, when they're in line, you play them at the same time. You've got your sticking is still right, left, and also out between the hi-hats and the snare. So on the 2 and the 4, your hand is going to come off the hi-hat and hit the snare drum. Then that's creating the backbeat. Counting is still the same, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. So what we'll do is, I'll play it through really slowly and then I'll speed it up a little bit so you can see what it sounds like at a faster tempo. So let's get into it. Okay guys, we've come to the end of the lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. As with everything that I'm teaching you, always practice with your left hand lead as well as your right hand. As I said before, it's good to keep practicing and so that you don't have any weaknesses between the two. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to keep up to date with future videos. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.